Well, hello there. Welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Thursday, September 9th. My name is Kat. I have your astrological forecast for the day. Before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, all toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, all the darkness flowing out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. This white light is filling our entire bodies with white light, love, and the will to good. And then this white light goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation together, and we'll stay in this space of white light for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good work, good work. And I just had this thought that, every time we do these deep cleansing breaths, every time we do that affirmation, we are projecting that energy out into the world. We are affecting not only all our brothers and sisters, but the entire universe is affected by our internal work that we do to get connected with our higher self. It has such a positive effect on the human family as a whole. We ought to remember that too in developing our relationship with our higher self and making that part of our daily routine. So today, the moon is still in Libra for most of the day today. I think until about, let me check. Until almost 10 o'clock tonight. So we have one more day to really try to bring some closure or some progress to some relationship issues that we are still grappling with. Today, the energy in the morning, up until about 2:30 p.m., the energy is gonna be real sketchy, guys. So we're gonna be visiting some skeletons in our closet. Haven't talked about those guys for a while, have I? Well, they're being activated by natural occurrences with connections with the planets that we've been talking about. But today they're internal, and so the first skeleton we're going to talk about is Uranus. So today, look in the morning, especially in our workplace or with our partner, we may need to step up for ourselves. We may need to step up for our values and our ideals. We may be in a position where our true authentic self is being compromised. So don't give that power away. That's one of our skeletons that we are going to look we're going to see today might pop out of that closet. Another skeleton that might pop out of the closet is Neptune. And Neptune is all about our connection with our higher self. So we definitely want to make sure that we are conscious about that connection today. But it's also about some deceit, some embellishment, some not so true information that we're getting or we're giving in the relationship. So be aware of that. If we get a little tingle or we feel something isn't right in what is being said, then we need to pay attention to that feeling. That's our higher self saying, hey dude, you need to pay attention. Something's not right here. Something's not right. And then not only that, we also have Pluto. The Pluto retrograde in our closet, that could come out today. So we are looking at trying to build a healthy structure. Maybe there's a new job opportunity that we're talking over with our partner. All of these things these little skeletons are coming out and they're pinching us. But this morning, we just can't get anywhere. So my advice, hold on, because where is that? Because at 2:00 p.m., we have a lovely connection with the moon and Jupiter. So now, 2:30 p.m., 2:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, now we have a little bit of supportive energy. Not only can we introduce or come back and try to work with that new way of doing things that we came up with, that new idea. Actually, we might get some support. We might get some buy-in from the other. Be a little bit more willing. Again, it's a trine. So don't expect the other to come to us and say, hey, let's try that again. No, we're going to have to initiate that. We're going to feel the waters, and that should work out. It should work out much better for us if we just hold on until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. And then tonight, what did I say? At 10 o'clock, the moon goes void of course, and it doesn't go into, it goes into Scorpio at the late hours of tonight at 11 p.m. So I will talk to us more about that heavy duty energy tomorrow on Friday, because I'm going to tell you what, everything's about to change. Everything's about to get real intense. So, like I've been trying to tell us all week, try to clean up anything in our relationships. If we haven't gotten to it, if we can't figure it out, I don't know. Now, when Venus is in Scorpio tomorrow, it also is very transformative and healing as well. So we have to keep that in mind. But let's see what Spirit has to say to us today for our Thursday, September 9th. All right. Into the unknown. Where are we going with this? Listening. Got 2 elephants stuck in the mud. That's kind of interesting. 2 elephants today. Okay, so Spirit is saying to us, our last chance for group work today, and yes, what we come up with, our idea. For some of us, the other has the new idea, the new way of doing things that we are going to have to entertain, that we are going to have to, come off of our own judgment, our own perspective, and see how, I never really thought of that before, but that could work. So we have to be open to entertaining ideas that we haven't ever even thought of before today. And if we do, we listen to the group, and if we listen, we will move forward. If we don't, if we get stuck on our own perspective, if we can't focus on the good of the whole, what's good for all of us involved, we ain't going nowheres. We're not going to get it done. So it does take us to put on our big girl, big boy panties, get into our spiritual warrior pose, and be conscious enough to direct any kind of discussion so that we can come to resolution today. We just got to get out of our own egos, guys, to get her done. So, good Thursday. Get ready for a crazy day. Some intense emotions on Friday. I hope I'm not building it up too much. I don't think I am. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. If you like what you see on the Soul Sister channel, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. And I learn and grow from everything I do. Everything you guys say, I look at all the comments, and I do learn and grow from them. Have a great Thursday. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived from the inside out. Happy Thursday. Hang in there. It's almost weekend. Namaste.